Hello there, it's Tina the Thankful Planner. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, then thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm doing a really quick haul video. This is sort of like quite a stuffed envelope. Found it in my post box. It's a Happy Mail and I really don't want to wait. It's the weekend. I don't want to wait until I get a few more packages, which I do have some little bits and pieces on order. So I just wanted to share it with you and then start using it. You can see I don't know who it's from, but it is from a shop in Canada. I know it's from Ontario, but I've ordered bits and pieces from all over the place. So I love how this, like she's painted the envelope with some sort of iridescent, it's all sparkly, iridescent gloss. So that's really cute. So I'm just going to head on in and open it straight away. I can't remember some of the things I ordered, and it's quite good fun not looking it up. So I could go to my Etsy and check what I actually ordered. I just don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, I'm so excited. As you can see, it's a pack of Kawaii type items to journal with. So this is more to do with journaling. And so this, let's open it anyway. Oh, I love this little pack. And it was quite reasonable. I will put the store obviously in the description box below so you can go and have a look for yourself. But this is just like a pack of different items that you can use. I did tell you all recently that I have a Hobonichi. I've got a Cousins and a Weeks. And so it's really good for journaling. So let's have a look what we got anyway. We'll start with, I'll do the stickers last because there's lots of them. So let's look at the washi. So these are washi strips, as you can see. So we've got these sort of pineapple-y type ones, quite cute. And these sort of different colour ones, they're quite cute as well, aren't they? Yeah, I really like that one. Let's bring you in a bit more. Look at the pattern. And I'm not going to take them off because they really are, you don't get loads on there. Here's a cat one. Oh no, it's not a cat one. It's a raccoon. Is it a raccoon? I don't know. Anyway, that's quite pretty too. Look, and love this one here. But yeah, so you get samples of washi, enough to do like a journaling spread. And that's the pineapple ones. And then here we have watermelon ones. Not sure whether that's going to work with me because it's snowing here. So that's not really. And the pineapple. But that's okay. Maybe I need a day where I brighten it up. And let's see what else we get. So we get, oh, my melody. So these are all Kawaii designs. That's quite cute. And then you stick these in your journal, believe it or not, when you're, well, you don't have to. I could just use them. But these are really cute, like lots of different ones. Latte. And they're all different designs, as you can see. Aren't they sweet? And I don't know if I want to take you through them all. You might get bored. Oh, that's quite cute as well, look. Just different sorts of pictures. And these are just bits of paper, and I would stick them into my journal. So they're memos. And then these larger ones, which again, different, all different. And can be used in journals. So they create these sort of kits. I mean, look, isn't that cute? Isn't that lovely? Really cute. And kawaii, if you didn't know, actually means like cute in Japanese. So very nice. I do like these colours as well. These little characters. Fluffy time. Yeah, I like these. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? I love the colours. I am sort of like girly at heart, although like a lot of my planner is minimalism and some of them are, not all of them. I do have that girly thing about me that sometimes I just want pinks, pastels and purples and cute little, look, that is so cute, look at that. I love that one. I'm going to do a whole spread on that. And then these little characters. Yeah, they're really nice. It's really good to have in my little, sort of just like for journaling. So in the back of my Hobonichi Weeks, I'm going to do some journaling. So let's pop that like that. Oh no, let's have one that goes. Here we go. Let's do this one. Like that. Oh, that's so cute. Right, so and then we get these 2 sticker packs, and this one you got 45 in this one. I'm not sure what. So these are actually the clear, like flakes, like transparent. Let's put that there. And I'll show you. Let's see what we got. Oof. A little bunny rabbit in there. Little gold bunny rabbit. But they really look cool when you take, because they're very sort of like translucent. So we have a bunny. These are all back to front. So let's go like that. There we go. Lots of different little designs, look. Just really pretty. And these are all foiled, I think. Got little, yeah, got little foil bits on them. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Look at these. Aren't they cute? Look at these desserts. Strawberries. And there is, okay, just different stuff. And look, I love this. Look at this little postage stamp. Isn't that cute? Lemons. There is things like cameras as well. There's a camera, a hat, flowers, coffee cups, lots of coffee cups, flowers, and then these cute little rabbit characters and roses and all sorts of things. So I love that. That's really cute. I'm going to put that away in a minute. I'm just going to move that off like that. So they're like sticker flakes and they're transparent. And then these ones, these aren't transparent. Oops. Oh, there are a couple of transparent ones. Okay. There's cats. And these are more sketchy. I quite like them. So I do when I do watercolour. And then you've got these ones. They're all different styles and types. That's cute. That one. Look at that one. Oops, sorry. Happy So Sweet. Oh my gosh, there's some cutie ones. Ice cream. Oh, that's pretty. Just quite a lot of different little stickers. And these are called sticker flakes because they're all sort of cut like this. They're not on one sheet. Look at that. That's cute. There we go, look. They're not on one sheet. Oh, look at this thing. What is that? Love the colours. Mushrooms. But because they're all cut around like this and not on a sheet, they're called flakes. There's so many. I'm going to be here for ages looking at all these. Very nice though. So that was it. That's my package. I'm going to be using these in my, as I say, in my Hobonichi Cousins. I can't wait to get started on that. Thanks for joining me. It's Friday, so I hope you have a good weekend and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.